morning everyone. It's the next day, so I'm heading to UltraTuts to unload the trailer, unload the link, and then I'll come back and attach the trailer, and then go to the Brink terminal and leave the link there and attach the trailer and unload the last place. And everything else is like I said on the previous video, but now let's start moving. So I made it to Kia Progress in UltraTuts, and now I'm unloading these 9 pallets what I brought here, but I can't film the unloading and loading processes because there are everywhere pictures that I can't film or picture on this territory, so bad for this. But now I will unload and let's go on. So I made it back to the Freya terminal. I attached the trailer to my link, and now I'm heading to the Brink terminal, and if it's possible then leaving the link on the rampa and unloading the to Brink, and attach the link, attach the trailer, attach the trailer again, and put the link on rampa. It is a lot of work to unhook and hook them back together. But right now the link is over there, and I am heading to Karlslunde to unload the trailer and come back here and put the trailer to rampa. But wish me luck. Now I'm heading to Malmö's bridge to cross it to Sweden, and let's see how it goes. see, I made it to Jönköping. I'm taking a 45-minute break in Jönköping Freja terminal. So this is a safe place to stay. But right now I'm taking a small nap, and then I have over 300 kilometers to go to to Stockholm. Then I can go on the ship there.
Take a chance, live your life for just one night, no looking back, 'cause tonight will make you right. Keep this feeling getting high. Keep this feeling getting high.
some breakfast and go to sleep, because today's drive was quite exhausting. It was over 600 kilometers and I drove all night, so it was very exhausting. But now let's go inside and let's start eating. And this is the end of this video. If you like this, hit like, hit subscribe like usually, and see you soon on the next video. Bye.
Yeah, bitch, let it drop.